Close your eyes and picture a time you felt really connected to nature. Where were you? What did it feel like? Smell like? Sound like? Now open your eyes. Both ancient tradition and modern research suggest that humans evolved as part of nature, so finding connection with nature is key to surviving and thriving in our world. So how do we connect to nature? These tools and practices are quick and easy ways to increase your connection to nature and therefore your health, emotional, physical, and psychological. Firstly, practicing sensory meditation can help connect to the world around you. To do so, focus on one sense and block out all other inputs, letting your thoughts float by. Another practice is sit-spot meditation. Choose a spot in nature that's easily accessible for you and sit in that spot for 30 minutes a day or however long you have available. Tune into the environment, getting to know the fluxes at different times of day, seasons, and weather patterns. Another avenue for deep nature connection is recreating outdoors. Notice the landscapes you are traversing and the beauty inherent in the wilderness. Another strategy for nature connection is grounding, taking off your shoes and using sensations of touch to root into the earth. You can do this anywhere, but it will be most effective in a natural space, such as a forest, desert, beach, or even your local park. Next, you can educate yourself and others about the environment and the indigenous connection to the land. Ask questions to the locals and native people about the meaning of certain locations, the flora and fauna in the area, and the seasonal patterns. Incorporating any or all of these methods of nature connection will help open your eyes to the web of life that envelops you and all humans on Earth.